Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post a lot of beauty related content here on YouTube. If they're the videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Today we are talking Everything Revolution Blush Bomb. These are £5 from Revolution. These were kindly gifted to me, so I didn't actually buy them myself, but my review is totally honest, and to be fair, I've already filmed the video and I fucking love them. They're amazing. We do have some Rare Beauty dupes in, so if you want to see which ones are dupes, then stay tuned. But I have swatched them all, I have put them on my face, I have duped most of them on my hand for you, and I've spoken about the formula. I love them. I literally am in love with them. I've not stopped using them since I've started using them. The formula is incredible with these, so you guys need to just stay tuned to see what they look like on my face. I don't know which shade to use. I love rosier tones, so I think I'm going to go for Dolly Rose. It's not as, it's more corally. Alright, let's swatch all of them. That is Dolly Rose. Nice. Glam Orange just below that. Peach Petal just below that one. Savage Coral right there. And lastly we have Rose Lust. You know what, I think I might go for Dolly Rose. So out of that and Glam Orange, orange should go because of the eyes. Let's go for Dolly Rose. I'm going to show you how easy these blend out, even with a lot of product. Always use a beauty blender, I don't know why, I just always go for them. See, it's sheared out quite a bit, so I'm going to add some more. I love that. Need quite a lot of product, but I think that's just because I'm a little bit tanned. Should we do a different shade on the other cheek? Let's do Glam Orange, which is the second shade. Look how neon that looks. And let's try a brush this time. This is the Revolution R8, which they kindly gifted to me. They kindly gifted me like the whole range of these, and I don't stop using them. Use a brush with these because that just worked so well, so quickly, and didn't take away too much product. Okay, well, I love that. Really, really do. And the texture is very like thin and like gel-like, if that makes sense. So they're not too thick on your skin, and they'll probably be perfect for summer. They're amazing and they're so affordable. So let me just go and do the rest of my makeup, come back, we can talk more about these blush bombs, but they applied so good. I just powdered my face, and before I show you like my finished look, I just wanted to show you that look how much they show through that powder. They literally, okay, they're not as shiny anymore, but they've kept their pigmentation. Like, I would honestly not put another blush over this. They are so stunning. I can't stop looking at them. Okay, makeup is on my face, and I'm sorry, but these blushes, this might be a short video just to show you all the blushes, but they are amazing. They are actually got some dupes in there for Rare Beauty. You know what? Let me show you some of these. For Rare Beauty dupes, we have this top one here, which is called Dolly Rose from Revolution. And then the Rare Beauty one on the other side is called Happy. They, I believe, are very close in dupes. Then the second one is Peach Filter from Rev. And then the other one is Peace from Rare Beauty. They're a little bit different. And then the bottom one is Rose Lust from Rev and Believe from Rare Beauty, which are very, very similar. I actually have one more, which is Joy, and that would be fun to find. I've been using them a lot, so they're just everywhere. And then we've got Glam Orange here and Joy next to it. So they are kind of dupes. They're very similar. I feel like Happy and Believe down the bottom are the closest. So at the top again, so we've got Dolly Rose, Peach Filter. The next one is Glam Orange. Then the fourth one is Savage Coral, and the last one is Rose Lust from Revolution. And down here are the Rare Beauty dupes. So yeah, very similar in tones, some of these. The only Rare Beauty dupe I didn't find is Savage Coral from for Revolution, but there's dupes, guys, so get them in. £5. The formula is so soft, very pigmented. You can put a lot on your skin and it will sheer out but still be pigmented. So you can, you know, sometimes when you just put a little bit too much, it doesn't matter. I believe that's everything. If you did enjoy this video, please smash it huge a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.